Hey guys, welcome back to Code Planet. In today's video, I want us to solve this project together, and it is 0 times 1 2 C. This is C programming language, and the project for today is singly linked lists. So in today's video, I'm going to take it step by step, and do well to watch the video till the end so you don't miss out any point. I think there are about 4 different steps to take to solving this, and I'm going to break them down one by one pretty fast. So if this is your first time coming across this channel, welcome to Code Planet, where we code together and grow together. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back home. So we go straight to the business of the day. This video is just a solution video. The next video that would come after this one would be the explanatory video, where I would be explaining all the scripts and codes you would be applying. So guys, I always advise that you go through the concept so you understand what data structures are, but I'm just going to have a brief look at it. Now, data structures, as the term implies, are a way of structuring data in order to efficiently store, find, use, and create data depending on the task at hand. So it's just something you need to read through. It's quite easy to understand. So let's go back to the business of the day. Make sure to also go through the resources so as to understand better, and then we are heading straight to the business of the day. Now make sure you go through the general requirements so you know what you need to apply, and to get your code working perfectly. Once you're done going through all those things, make sure you go through the quiz section. And just a quick one for those of you having difficulty solving a particular quiz, let me just run through them really quickly. This is question 1. You can see there is the first node, and then this, you can see that this is just quickly so we can get this done. Question number 4, you have them here. So guys, once you're done, the task begins. So the first thing you need to do once you come here is to go through your tasks and locate the one that has the get a sandbox. And once you click here, it's going to pop out a box here. Make sure to select web terminal, and when your web terminal comes up, it's just going to look exactly like this. So I'm just going to be fast now, but this particular one I'm using for this purpose is git bash. So I would advise you use your web terminal, because some commands that work on web terminal don't work on git bash. So the first thing you need to do once you have opened your web terminal is to come and make sure you go through the repository and the directory you've been asked to work with. So we are going to copy this, that the name, take this, and then come here, cd into the repository, and then we have moved from the root into the repository. And also you need to copy this directory. If you don't have it, that means you need to create it using your mkdir, and then you do space, and then you paste, hit enter. You've created that, then you now have to cd into it, and then you put that there. And yes, we have moved from the root through the repo and now in the directory. So now we just have to start creating, and the first thing to create always is your readme, because that's where you explain the project you are working on. So you just use your vi, and then you do your paste, because it's readme, and then it's going to take you into the VI editor, where you can now input the details of your project. I always like using this as this, but normally when you copy this, you just have to copy all the tasks, the questions one by one. You copy this, paste, but I have all that in the document I placed here for you, so you don't need to worry about that. So here you just activate insert, then paste it, hit escape, shift :WQ, and we are done with the readme. The next thing to do is we are to create a file, just like you have the main.h file, which holds the prototypes that help the functions to work properly. This time it is list.h, so you just copy that. Come here, do your vi space, then you paste, hit enter, activate insert, then come to the document I have prepared for you. Don't worry, all these scripts, all these codes, the next video will be the explanatory video that will explain everything for you, just as I've been doing. You guys requested and I'm doing it. So you paste this one here, do your escape shift colon WQ, and then you hit enter. We have created our list.h. So we come back and now we have to proceed to creating each and every script as instructed. So you copy this. This is just the first step. This is the first step to solving this project. So you copy that, come here, do your vi space, and then you paste it, hit enter, activate insert, fetch the script from here. The explanatory video will be coming up just after this one. So you copy that from here, paste it here, take out the last line here, escape colon WQ, and we are done with that. We go to the next one, which says write a function that returns the number of elements in a linked list underscore t. So we just come here, copy this one, take this, and then you come here, do your vi space. This is just the first step, don't forget. Make sure to follow through till the end so as to understand all the steps, you don't miss out anyone. So you come here, you fetch the code, take this, copy it, and then you come here, paste, take out the last line, escape, and we are done with that one. We go to the next one, and the next one says write a function that adds a new node at the beginning of the list underscore t list. So you just come here, this is the file name, you copy that, come here, do your vi space, and then paste, hit enter, activate insert, and then come here, fetch the script I have for you. Right here, you copy it down to the last curly bracket, and then come here, paste, take out the last empty line, escape colon WQ, and we are done with that. We go to the next one. I'm trying to be fast, so we finish this pretty quickly. Write a function that adds a new node at the end of a list. Okay, so the explanatory video is going to explain everything, and remember, each of them have their prototypes in place. So we just come down, we copy the file name. After this video, make sure to watch the explanatory video so you know exactly what each line of code is doing. So here you do your vi space, and then paste it, activate insert, come here, copy this, copy, come here, add it here, escape shift colon WQ, and we are done with that. So we go to the next one that says write a function that frees a list underscore t list, and it has this prototype there, but we just come here, we copy this. We have already created the lists.c file, which list.h file, which contains all the prototypes. So you just come here, do your vi space, and then you hit enter, come here, take this code, and then take it, come here, activate your insert, paste it, take out the last empty line, and we are done with that. We go to the next one. We say write a function that prints you are beat, and yet you must allow with a new line. Okay, so we just come here, take this, copy, and then we go here, do our vi space, put it here, and then we say hit enter, activate insert, come here, fetch it from here, and then we place it here. All the codes will be explained in the next video right after this one, so don't just copy and paste. Make sure to also learn learn, learn, learn. So that's the main aim of Code Planet. We don't just give you answers to get it done. So we go to this one, copy this here, copy, and here do a vi space, and then we paste, hit enter, activate insert, then we come to the code script, and this is it here. We just copy that exactly as it is, copy, come here, paste it here, take out the last empty line, escape, colon W, and we are done. Guys, we are done with the first step. Now this is the second step of this project. So we just go back to the top again from the first task, which is this, and then now we are going to create the main.c file. So you just copy that. The script has already been given to you, so before you start doing this I would advise you run Betty on your script to be sure that your input in all these files are perfect and okay. How do you run Betty? You just copy this and type Betty space, then you paste it and hit enter. It's going to show error here because Betty is not a command in Git Bash, but it's going to work perfectly in your web terminal. Now, what do you mean by asking Betty? Whenever you go through a script that has this description, you can run Betty on them to get a go ahead, knowing if you actually placed everything in order. Betty will tell you it's good and you can proceed. That is why you need to run Betty. So you don't say a particular file failed you, or a particular file is not functioning, or you failed a particular task. Run Betty on them and confirm that they are all okay before you proceed to this step. So right here, you just copy this, come here, do your vi space, you paste it, hit enter, copy the code given to you down to the last curly bracket. You can see it right there. So you just copy, come here, activate insert, paste it, hit enter, and escape shift colon WQ. We've created that one. We go to the next one, which is one-main.c. So right here, we copy this, come here, do vi space, and then we paste that, hit enter, activate insert, and then you copy the code from the header file down to the last curly bracket right here. So you copy, come here, paste, do your escape shift colon WQ. Don't worry about these codes, they will be explained in the explanatory video. We'll go to the next one, which is this. So we copy that to our vi space, and then we paste, hit enter, activate insert, come here, copy the line of code from here down to the last curly bracket, and then we hit paste, escape shift colon WQ, and that's it. I'm doing this pretty fast, but you can take your time to look through the codes. So we go to the next one, which is this 3-main.c. We copy that, come here, do our vi space, and then we paste, hit enter, activate insert, take this to this point, and then copy, come here, add it here, escape shift colon WQ. Now we are done with that. We go to the next one, which is this. So we just take that from here, come here, do our vi space, paste it, hit enter, activate insert, take this from this point, the header file down to the curly bracket right here, copy that, come here, add it here, and save and quit. So we check if there is another one. Oh yeah, we have this one here. So we take this, come here, do a vi space, paste, hit enter, activate insert. Then you take from the header file down to this point, which is the last curly bracket, copy this, add it here, do your escape, shift colon Q, and we are done with that. So you can see that there is no other file to copy here. So what we do next is, so at this point we just go back up. Now we are done with the second step of this solving this. Now we come back to the top. At this point now, what you just need to do is to run your compiler on all the files you just created. So you just take this one. This is for the first file which you have created, and also created the main.c file. So you just take that gcc code, come here, paste it, and hit enter. It's going to compile and tell you to proceed. Don't worry about this error. GCC is not a command. Then hit bash. So we go to the next one. So we take this, copy, come here, paste it, hit enter. Come here, take this one as well at this point, copy, come here, paste it, hit enter. Go to the next one, copy this from here, and then place it here, hit enter. We go to the next one, take this from here to this point, come here, paste it, and hit enter. We go to the next one. I think we're almost done. So you copy this from here, copy, come here, paste it, hit enter. And don't forget to also do it for this last one where you copy from here. Okay, this is already here, so you can just copy this from here, come here, place it, and hit enter. So guys, we are done with this project, and what you just have to do next is, I'm going to confirm this particular one, so you just come, the next thing you do is come and do your, so the next thing you do is you do your git add space dot, hit enter. It's going to add it and get it set for you to push. So don't worry about the warning sign, it's normal for git bash. The next thing you do is you do your git commit space -m space, then you give your quotation where you input your instruction. You can just say c-singly linked lists, and then you hit enter. Once that is done, the next thing you do is you do your git push it to your GitHub, and you are done with the project. So once that is done, you just come back to the first task. I'm going to check the first two, and then you can see it has pushed to GitHub. So we're going to check the first two, and we call it quit. So we're going, so at this point you can see it has pushed to GitHub. Now the next thing to do is come and run our checker, and then that brings us to the end of the video. So I'll just do the first two, and we are going to run it together. So you click on check the code, and then do your start a new test. Here guys, you can see that we got all greens down here, and you can see it also said congratulations, all tests passed successfully. You are ready for your next mission. So that brings us to the end of the video. I'm just going to end or close this one and run the second one for confirmation. So we go to the second task, and then here we just do this, check your code, and guys, you can see we got all green as well, and it says congratulations, all tests passed successfully, you are ready for your next mission. So guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope this video actually helped you get something solved. If it did, then don't forget to smash that subscribe button and become part of this family. We are one big family. This is Code Planet, where we code together and grow together. Don't forget to activate the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, because I have so many videos to upload apart from these projects. So guys, I wish you all the best. I love you guys. Continue practicing, continue reading, and don't forget to watch the explanatory video that comes next. Guys, also don't forget to like and share my video, because it helps my algorithm to reach out to other people who have been looking for such a channel. So guys, from me from here, it is good afternoon.